Yo, what's up guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here the finished product of this Dragon Call from Hemoxian model kits, and I find this kit very nice, especially the color scheme and the blue flame effect. This really complements to each other. The color scheme is really nice, this white, gray, and red parts here really looks amazing, and when you apply the blue flame effects, this will make the kit very interesting. So I made the kit look like the this blue flame thing compared with this blue blades, because this looks much appealing compared with this one. So you can change the pattern if you like this blue blade effects to be attached on the back. You may do so, and you can interchange those flame effect to the spear. So instead of this, you can also put it. So I will not do that because it's very tedious to apply, especially this one. I got a hard time applying this blade on this socket. It's very tight, and I'm afraid if I will pull this thing out, I might break the peg that connects on that blade. Okay, so let's go with the aesthetic first. So technically this kit looks like a Gundam because this is designed by, I forgot his name, but Kunio Kawara. Yes, it's designed by Kunio Kawara, and forgive me for saying Yoshiyuki Tomino on my unboxing because it's supposed to be Kunio Okawara. That's why it looks like a Gundam. So there, the red color is really nice. It's vibrant, but the plastic quality on this red piece here are brittle. So what I did is I carefully put all those red on their places, and actually I broke one of the red pieces, but good thing it's under the feet, in the sole of the feet. So this one, it's really hard to apply, and when I try forcing things on this one, I accidentally broke it, but it's manageable since I can put super glue, and this is underneath the feet, so it's not that noticeable. Okay, so there we go. Let's go with the articulation. So let's remove first the spear. Okay, so the spear is really, it's really heavy, and of course the fire effect or the blue flame effect here is really back heavy, so just so you know. Okay, so the head is very nice. It looks like a Gundam, as you can see. Those blue pieces here are stickers, so I put stickers there, foil stickers. The eyes are also in the foil sticker, so it can rotate like this, look up, look down like that. And for, by the way, let's first remove the backpack for you to appreciate the okay, let's first remove it, but it's very tight. Okay. So the backpack is really tight to apply, so just be careful because this might break when you forcefully pull it, and I'm afraid I might break it. So this is the last time I'm going to pull this one. So there. Okay, so the arms here can rotate 360 degrees like that, and the shoulder can raise up to this far. Here, you can extend this one and raise up to this far. By the way, you can remove this. This can be easily removed. This is just a two plastic clamp together, this fire effect here, and you can just put it on top of the shoulder armor. So without the flame effect, this is the shoulder armor look like. There we go. And this one, this flame effect here, you can pull this out. There you go. Very nice flame effect. So there, this is how it looks if it's not on flame effect. Very simple. Actually, the design is nice. To be honest, I don't like the flame effect at first, but when I saw that this kit is really simple looking, I decided to apply it now. So the elbow is bending in 180 degrees like that, and the hands, I changed the hands to Dalin decal because I like this to be articulated. So there, it's a Dalin decal hand. For the waist is really annoying because this is really loose, and as you can see, it can wiggle like that. So it's really loose, but this can rotate. So the rotation is really tight. The joint or peg here is tight. It has a positive effect on the kit since the kit is a back heavy kit in terms of the flame effect there. So it will counteract the weight on the back. The side skirt are nice. It has a hinge here, and it's connected on ball joint there. So there's a hinge ball joint connector there. The front skirt is really annoying because it's really loose. I don't like the mechanism on this front skirt. So it's connected by ball joint, and the ball joint there is connected by a peg. So there. So you can raise up like that, and there we go. I removed that accidentally. So it's a bit loose on the back of the front skirt. There we go. It's very loose. And for the back skirt is where you can put the beam saber handles. So we got here the normal beam saber handle, and I got here this beam saber with this special hilt where you can put the blade of the spear. So this is the blade of the spear there. You can interchange it. If you like to be in spear, you may do so, and this one you can put on the sword. So I just put the hilt on the back. And for the legs here, you can kick forward up to that far and kick backward. Minimal kick backward effect like that because of this back skirt here. So you can do some split. Good thing the side skirt can tilt backward like that, so you can make him split like the Van Damme split like that. Very nice. And for the bend of the knees, it can bend double jointed there, as you can see. It can bend double joint, and there's this knee armor separation. And here on the back of the leg, there's this movement on the thruster. Okay, so here on the ankle armor, it's moving like that. It has ball joint connector at the back, and for the feet you can do some plantar extend and plantar flex like that. So you can also swivel side to side like that, and it can rotate as well thanks to the peg attached on that. Okay. So the flame effect here, you can also remove it like this, and there's this connector piece that is color maroon that you can put here also, but I don't like it. I much like the flame effect there. So the flame effect is like that. So as you can see, the articulation is really nice, and it's perfect on the action base stand, but I don't like to utilize the action base stand, and so just like that. So let's do some size comparison for this model. Okay. So this is about the size of an average 1/100 scale kit. So if we're going to compare it with 18 centimeter master grade from Bandai, so this is the FA 78-1 full armor 78. So the average size Bandai master grade, so they're of the same height, but this one is on 1/35 scale if I'm not mistaken. So this should supposed to be shorter. If it becomes 1/100 scale, this should be shorter than the average master grade. Okay. So let's go with the backpack here. The backpack is looking like this. So we got two sets of backpack, by the way. So I don't like the first one because it's very simple. I like this one because this has the flame effect attached. So there, it's a very simple backpack. It has a hinge here. There, you can do some movement like that, and these three connectors are connected by hinge, and there you can pull it down like that. They can move like that. So it reminds me of the God Gundam backpack, where if it's on hyper mode, it can open and close or do widespread thing, or a fan like that. So there we go. You can make it like this, or you can change it with this. So I much like this one. So thank you so much for watching this review of the Hemoxian Dragon Call from Naraka Bladepoint. See you next time.